YouTube. This is your licensed esthetician slash makeup artist, Blaze Vaughn, and I just wanted to give some of my YouTubers and some of my clients a few tips. A lot of times when estheticians come on and they do interviews and they speak about skincare, it's like blah, 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 blah. It's so many terms and so many things they talk about. So we're going to make it very simple, and I'm just going to break it down to you. So the first thing, a lot of my clients, when they're wearing their makeup and they're wearing concealer, then they're wearing foundation, the pores get very clogged and they have breakouts and they have acne. So one little trick that I learned to avoid that is when it's time to remove your makeup every night, the best thing to do is to use makeup remover wipes. You can purchase these at any dollar store, any Walmart, any drugstore. They're very cheap. They're like baby wipes, but they're for makeup removal. Fabulous, ladies, very fabulous. So basically the reason for these is because when you're using your cleanser, the cleanser all the time does not remove all the dirt and excess oil from the skin. If your cleanser does not stay on the back of the ingredient bottle, that is the first ingredient, it's water, it's not really penetrating into your pores. So you have to use the makeup removal wipes because it gets all that dirt, that grit, and that grime and that excess oil out of the skin. So you won't have any acne or any breakout due to your makeup, okay? So they're great. So basically every night all I do is I wash my makeup off with my cleanser. But before I wash it off, I use my makeup removal pads. And you just wipe it off and then wash it off. And your skin will be radiant and beautiful, because I've had problems with my skin as well. But it really works for me. Another area I wanted to touch on really quickly was Proactiv. Now, a lot of skincare professionals and dermatologists are kind of against it, but I'm with whatever works, and I'm going to keep it real with you and tell you about it. So the one treatment that I really love from Proactiv is the Revitalizing Toner, step number 2. Okay, this is from Proactiv. You can order this from Proactiv.com. They have it everywhere from the 1-800 numbers. The basic thing that I like about this Revitalizing Toner, it really tones the skin. It brings the pores back down to the pH balance of 4.5 to 5.5. It removes all that excess oil and dirt. And another thing, ladies, its main ingredient is glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid is an AHA, and it exfoliates the skin, and that's like the main important thing. When you see girls that are looking really old and they have a lot of excess buildup, that's just from buildup of skin. So this is very fabulous. This is a Proactiv toner. It works really well. It does not leave the skin dry, and it leaves you feeling revitalized, and it leaves you feeling fresh, and it doesn't burn. So I really love this product as well. And then we're going to get into my last product. Now, this is a makeup product. Like I said, I'm a licensed skincare therapist and makeup artist, so I touch and dibble and dabble in everything for my clients and my YouTubers. This powder is amazing. It's called Hello Flawless, and it's by Benefit Cosmetics. You can purchase this at benefitcosmetics.com, or you can purchase this at any Ulta Cosmetics store. Now, basically, for my African American girls, this powder is fabulous. They don't have a lot of mineral-based powders that go with our skin tone. So this powder is good because it goes with a lot of skin tones with a yellow undertone. And we do have powders for girls with red undertones as well. It matches really good. Another good thing about this Hello Flawless powder by Benefit Cosmetics is that it doesn't clog the pores. It's mineral-based, so you can basically sleep in it if you want to. It feels very light. It's good for the girls that have acne and have rosacea, have skin problems, that don't want to use MAC or something very, very heavy. It's very nice for them. And it's all natural. Nothing commodogenic. It's all natural. So it's really good. Another thing I like about this powder, you don't need the concealers. It hides very well, and it camouflages very well without anything else under it. If you want to do a concealer, ladies, you can. That will just give you extra coverage, and you will look flawless. I love it. I can't go without it. Again, this is called the Benefit Hello Flawless Powder. It's all mineral-based, fabulous, natural powder. I like it more than I like the Bare Essentials powder because it covers better to me. The Bare Essentials is really for girls that have perfect, flawless skin. But this is for the girl that has a little flaw in her skin or just want to cover it a little bit more. So it's great. Okay, this is your licensed esthetician and makeup artist, Blaze Vaughn. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will have more tips for the young YouTubers. and the young future estheticians and the people, the future makeup artists and skincare therapists of the world. Thank you so much. Love you.